Introduction to CSS, Cascading Style Sheets, is a fundamental topic in web development. CSS is a styling language used to describe the visual appearance and formatting of HTML elements on a web page. It enables you to control the layout, colors, fonts, and other visual aspects of your web pages. Here's a brief overview of the key concepts in CSS. CSS syntax. CSS consists of style rules that define how HTML elements should be displayed. Each style rule consists of a selector and a declaration block. The selector targets the HTML elements to apply the styles to, and the declaration block contains one or more property value pairs. Selectors. CSS selectors are used to target specific HTML elements or groups of elements. Common selectors include element selectors, example, P, H1, div, class selectors, example, class name, ID selectors, example, hashtag ID name, and attribute selectors, example, attribute equals value. Properties and values. CSS properties define the visual attributes of HTML elements, such as color, font size, margin, padding, and background. Each property is assigned a value to specify the desired appearance. For example, color, red, sets the text color to red. External CSS. CSS can be written in an external CSS file and linked to HTML documents using the tag. This allows you to separate the presentation from the structure of your web page and apply the same styles to multiple pages. Inline and internal CSS. CSS can also be applied inline within HTML elements using the style attribute or internally within the tags in the HTML document section. However, using external CSS is generally considered a best practice for larger projects. Cascading and specificity. The C in CSS stands for cascading, which means that styles can be applied in multiple ways and can override each other. CSS follows a set of rules to determine which styles should be applied when there are conflicting styles. Specificity is a way to determine which style rule takes precedence based on the selector's specificity value. Box model. The CSS box model describes how elements are rendered on a web page. It consists of content, padding, border, and margin. Understanding the box model helps you control the size, spacing, and positioning of elements on the page. Responsive design. CSS allows you to create responsive designs that adapt to different screen sizes and devices. Media queries are used to apply different styles based on the device's characteristics, such as screen width, orientation, or resolution. Learning CSS opens up a world of possibilities for customizing the appearance of web pages. By mastering CSS, you can create visually appealing and responsive websites that deliver a great user experience. As you delve deeper into CSS, you'll explore more advanced concepts, such as layouts, transitions, animations, and CSS frameworks that can further enhance your web development skills.